Here I have XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iPhone keyboard on this device. So, to get the iPhone keyboard, you firstly have to download the app Keyboard for iPhone 12 iOS Keyboard from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to grant all the permissions it requires to work. Then you have to watch some ads. Then enable this keyboard here. Then switch to this keyboard. And now it's enabled. Let's try to... And as you can see, now I have the iPhone keyboard. You can switch languages here. You can change its theme here. As you can see, now I have light black. You can set it to dark white theme. You have these iPhone emojis here. Here you have other different settings. And it's all the settings of this keyboard. Yeah. Here you can customize languages. Like, for example, let's select Korean, Hebrew. And now let's try to write something down. And as you can see, now I have the Hebrew layout on my iPhone keyboard. Here you can switch languages, for example, for Korean. That's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.